Juliet. Have a blessed day to all of you. Nowadays, all of us are facing a very challenging situation in our lives, especially those parents who are dealing with their kids every day in the house. In this video, I will share with you how to make an infinity cube, which could help you and your kids to have a break in using a gadget. So what is the advantage of this infinity cube? Well, we should give this activity to our kids. So first, it could develop their focus and patience. So mapapahaba po nito ang pasensya ng inyong mga anak. Ayan po. And another one, it could boost their problem-solving skills which they can use later on or in facing tough situations. So for sure, your kids will find this activity very challenging and for sure they will enjoy. By the way, guys, since this is my first ever video in YouTube, I have something for you. I have a challenge or game for you and your kids. So please watch until the end of this video. Please don't forget also to like and share. Thank you.
Time to start. To make an infinity cube, we need 8 cubes. These are the things needed. First, 60 strips of different colors to make the cube. Tape, ruler or scale, cutter, and scissor. Now let's make the cube. So all we need is 6 strips with different colors. So the same with the other cubes that you will make. To make the strips, we need big square paper. And to make the square, we need A4 size construction paper. First, we should fold it like a triangle. And then, let's cut the extra paper or the excess paper. And to make the strips, we need a small square. And to make the small square, we need to cut the big square into 4 pieces. So first, let's fold it into 2. And then, time to cut into 4 pieces. And here it is. The small square is now ready. And to make the small strip, we need to cut the small square into 2. So let's fold it to make an equal size of strip. So let's cut it into 2 pieces. Now you have the strip. And now we're ready to form the cube. All we need is the 6 strips with different colors. So what shall we do with the strips? We need to fold it into 4 as you can see in the video. Okay, and then we will do it like that. So just follow how I did it in the video. So we need to fold it into 4 times. And then that's all. And now it's time to form the cube. So all we need to do is just insert all together the 6 strips as you can see in the video. So we need to insert it one by one. You should be careful in doing it. So this activity would be very helpful to your kids because it could develop their creativity, their focus, and their patience as well. cube is ready. To make it durable, we can put scotch tape or plastic tape at the edge of the cube. Now it's time to form the infinity cube. So first, we need to arrange it. As you can see in the video, just follow how I arrange it. So 4 cubes with the same color, like 4 blue and 4 red. So next step is we need to stick the first 2 cubes on the first row. So we need scotch tape or plastic tape to paste it. And don't forget also to put the opposite side. And here it is. And the next is we need to stick also the last 2 cubes in the last row. So we need to paste it with scotch tape also. And then don't forget the opposite side. And that's it. And the next is we need to stick also the side. So as you can see, the color is green. So we need to stick it with scotch tape again or plastic tape. And then don't forget also the opposite side. And the next, the other 4 pairs, so as you can see, they are all the same green. So you need to stick it again with scotch tape or plastic tape, and the same procedure. Don't forget the opposite side. And then let's proceed to the other side. So as you can see, the color is white. So we need to stick it again with scotch tape or plastic tape, and the opposite side also. And then also the last 4 pairs. So as you can see, this side has all the same white color. So we need to stick it also with scotch tape or plastic tape, and the same thing, don't forget the opposite side. And now we need to put it down. Okay, we need to stick the 2 cubes at the center of the row, the red and the blue, as you can see in the video. So we need to stick it with the scotch tape, both the left and right. And this is the last step of making an infinity cube. So don't forget also to put the opposite side. So we need also to stick it. So we need to put a scotch tape. So both the right and left. And that's it. Finally, you have already an infinity cube. Congratulations. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy, and if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And ito na nga po ang challenge na sinasabi ko kanina. Magpapagames po ako sa inyo. Whoever can make the infinity cube ay magbibigay po ako ng 100 pesos loan. So all you have to do is post your video playing with infinity cube in the comment section below. Good luck, guys! God bless! Always remember, learning is fun!